a sorti de là, on a cherché pour nous autres. On vous a passé là. On a dit qu'ils sont partis choper. On a dit qu'ils sont partis choper.
Yung pagkuha nila ng kanto. What's that? Ayan. Cosby. I'm gonna go to the lobster.
On pense que c'est pas. Le reste, c'est on est parti là. C'est bon, hein?
Wow. Usually dito pa rin sa Halifax. Uwi na kami bukas mga 11 PM. Sa Toronto na kami mga alas 2 ng umaga.
Ay, patapon din. Malaki.
Yan kami nagrenta ko. Doon i-stampay yung mga sakyan. Oh, laking ganito, easy, madumi pa. Yan ka renting. Wala. Dito tayo ngayon sa downtown ng sa may The Highlander Halifax. Dito lang parte yung gano'n public garden. Yan o. Oh, there's I think Korean ito ah. Oh, sushi, it means oh, Japanese ata eh. Yan. Oh, may pulis dyan oh. Naninikit. Yari sila. That's it. This is it. Tikitan. Oh, dami oh. Habaneros. Yan, dito tayo sa South Park ha? Mag. Excuse me. Dito, ang value dito 350. Public parking 40, monthly 80. Ayan, pwede ka sa baba. Oh. Malapit lang tayo sa hotel. Lord Nelson Hotels Suite. Yan, dyan kami daman kahapon sa may intersection ng Spring Garden at South Park Street. Yan yung public garden. Doon all the way. See, dito tayo ulit. May Korean dito. Yan ang chicken premium Korean style chicken. Yummy dyan Wow. Huh?
Instead of the star being on the left side, it was on the right side. But the blue is still on top.
Saan parte? Andun? Halata ba to? Halata.
Yes, it is.
No? Liit eh. Dapat talaga nandito po
No, I feel like that's even more suspicious.
Can you turn off? I cannot turn off.
You hold the off button.
Can you turn off? Hey vlog! Ayan.
Laki naman ng ano mo.
Ayan hindi, GoPro kasi.
Laki
GoPro 8 nga, late na nga eh. 13 na ngayon eh.
Sakay mo kaya yan sa ano, kay Rocky.
Ayan, mahigit pa.
Mahihilo ang mapanood niyan. Ganon. Para kang nakaano. Nakabayo.
Ikakat. Ayan yung hospital na pinangalingan ni Kuya Ned. Yan.
Mayroon naman yata setting yan para hindi magalaw.
Mayroon. Kasi sayang, minsan kasi dinala ko sa Pilipinas, hindi ko ginamit. Tumuntik ko pa.
Pinalagyan mo sila ng stabilizer.
Meron.
Para hindi siya ano.
Yeah, meron ako kaya lang ko. Dadalaw lang naman pisilin, itong paandar, itong pampatay.
Eh baka kailangan.
Because you can't actually go up.
Yes.
Go. Oh look, and everybody's
Yeah, these are all lined up.
Oh yeah, lined up. Everyone's doing something different. Oh, that's cute. Okay, that's cute.
Still a good shot.
All right.
Okay, let's go!
Oh, you're the big dog.
What are your sweaters in the trunk?
What is that?
This one.
Why did you break that?
Drink.
Why did you break it? Now I'm burdened with it. Brother, you're good there?
Sandya. Perfect! Yeah, dito tayo sa Peggy's Cove, Halifax, Nova Scotia. Dito tayo. Dito sa may ocean, oh, yung salted ocean na ano, Atlantic Ocean. Wala na yung mga bus, malis na. Yan, kasama natin sila, oh.
This is my souvenir. Hold on.
They're cutting grass. Tingnan natin yung ulit. Lamp.
Handle it with care.
Ito yung mapa.
Cool. Yeah.
See? Peggy's Cove. You are in Mi'kmaq, the ancestral and unceded territory of Mi'kmaq, who have been living in this land since the time when immemorial recognitions.
What ocean is this?